Alright, hello everyone. This is my tutorial of how to use my fitness/health app. So the name of this app that I'm going to talk about is called Calorie Counter Dash My Net Diary. So the app looks like this. It's right here, the green one. It is a great app that allows you to curate your own daily/weekly nutrition plan, manually add your calorie intake throughout the day, set future goals, for example, weight loss goals, save your meals, find a diet of your choice, and much, much more. So you can find this app on either an Android or iOS. I have it on an iOS phone, so I'll use the Apple App Store to find it. It is free, but if you want to get every single feature of the app, you could pay about $7 monthly. Me personally, I don't think it's worth it. The free app is just totally fine and works well. So when you first install the app and open it, it will ask you basic demographic questions. So they will ask you like your age, your height, your weight. They will also ask you what your future goal is in terms of, for example, how much weight you want to lose. So this would be your set goal. Now, your set goal is right here. This is just an example. So right now I weigh about 225 pounds, but if I wanted to set a goal, my goal would be at the bottom right here, 195 pounds. So that would be my target weight. See, it says 195, but my current weight is 225. Now this is just an example. It could be, obviously it's different for every single person. So after you finish filling in your demographic information, now your goal doesn't have to be like losing weight. It could also be maintaining your weight or even gaining weight. So after you finish done asking the questions, the app will give you the amount of calories you should be eating in a single day based on your age, weight, and height, and it will bring you to the main screen. So this right here is the main screen. Now there's a lot of things that you could do over here. It's actually pretty simple. So at the top you could see it says calorie budget. For me, it's 2,500, around that. That is the amount of calories that I should be eating in a single day in order to reach my target goal. So basically, you manually put in the type of food that you eat. It could be anything. It could be as simple as a cup of coffee, or even, for example, a chicken Caesar salad. So first I would click breakfast. So say I ate, you click the search bar, say you eat scrambled eggs. Now, how many eggs did you eat? You manually type it in. So say I ate 2 eggs. It tells you right there how many calories, 182. Now, right here is the C minus in the top right, right next to where it says egg scrambled. This is a grading system based on the type of food that you eat. Now, C minus isn't all that great, but it's not bad. So it goes on a scale. Now, if you want to read more information on the scale, you just click the C minus and then click article. Now, it's basically A is the best or the healthiest food that you could eat, and D is the worst. And right here it says the letter system. If you want to read the article, you could just scroll down, and it gives you all the breakdown of each score. Now, say you wanted to put in and save your meal and finish the job. So first you would put the amount of calories in, click save. Now in the top right is a log. You click log. Now there it is. It's in your meal plan. That means that you ate 2 eggs. That was a total of 182 calories. Now say in the morning I also had a cup of coffee and you want to add that. You go to the bottom right and click the plus sign. Then you type in coffee. Now say you had coffee, a regular coffee, black, no sugar. It's only 2 calories, which is actually pretty good. Now you ask how many cups. Now you put in how many cups you drank. Say I drank 1 cup. There you go. It'll be 2 calories. Click log. And there you go. Now it's in. Now if you want to find more information on your type of food that you eat, for example, egg scrambled, you could click in on the bottom right here, right next to the exclamation point. It says food label. Click food label. Now it gives you a breakdown of the nutrition label. Now it tells you everything you need to know, especially carbs, sodium. It even tells you the certain amount of vitamins that you have and even deeper into that. And then at the top you see the grade again, and that's it. So after you exit out, you go back to your dashboard, and now you can see that I've eaten a total of and drank a total of 184 calories. I have 2,400 calories left to eat. So now that's my budget. So that's what I have left in order to reach my goal. So now I want to go. Now it's lunchtime, and I want to add lunch. So say I ate a chicken Caesar salad. How many servings? 1. 350 calories. Again, click save. Then you click at the top right, log. And there it is. Now it's in my meal. And then again, it updated. So you could do basically the same thing for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and even snacks. So for example, let's say I ate a banana. Ready? I don't know about 5, but say I ate 2 bananas. Save again. Now once again, it's in my meal plan. For sometimes the food that you're looking for does not pop up, or it's not in the search bar. So an easy way to do that is to scan the item. So right in the bottom next to a plus sign, there's a scan logo. You click that. Now your camera will come up. Right now I have my computer in front of me, but here's an example of a bag of chips. So say I want to scan these chips, these Ritz toasted chips. I would go to the bottom and scan it, and then boom, pop up. There it is. Log food. How many servings? 1. Log. There you go. Now those are my 2 snacks. I go back, and there you go, updated again. You could also add what kind of exercise. Say you are active throughout the day. You could count how many steps. And the good thing about steps is that if you connect it to your iOS health app, it could do it automatically. So click it, and you add how many steps. You just look at your watch, and you type it in. So for exercise, there's other ones too. You could they could be running. So say I ran throughout the day. I click running. Minutes, how many minutes? Say I ran for 20 minutes. Log 250 calories. That's how much I lost. There you go. Now it's updated into the system. Other parts of the app, you could also find your diet on the coach tab on the bottom. You click here, and you could choose any diet you want. There's several to choose from. And over here is the social tab. Now this is where you could create new posts. You could read other people's posts. You could find what the community is saying about different food. And right here on the bottom is just your settings for your profile. Another quick way, instead of going to the dashboard and clicking breakfast every time, you could do the plus sign, which is right in the middle, and pick which one you want. You could click exercise or even cups of water. It counts how many cups of water or glasses of water you drank. And the good thing about this app is that you could do it in days in advance. So today's Wednesday, you could start saying what you start saving meals for up to like months in advance. That's pretty much it about